Hello everyone, welcome back to Florida Mama Flips. My name is Alicia. I go to garage sales, estate sales, and thrift stores and buy undervalued items to flip for a profit on eBay. Today I'm just going to pop into my local Goodwill before I take my girls to the grocery store, and we're going to see what we can find, so let's go. We haven't gotten too much so far.
Mommy, that's like a blow-up balloon.
Cool. Moana. Boxers or briefs? Can you predict what your friends will pick? Oh my gosh.
Mommy,
What's this?
I
Oh, what? Okay. Sketchy.
want it.
Missionary Conquest. Why is there a Pez over here?
It's not balloons.
Oh, Smurf Pez. Cool.
Fast, Mommy.
Okay, I'll get it. What else is there? Some kind of baby play mat.
Mommy.
Look at that.
Back. Mommy.
What are these? John Deere puzzles. They're not vintage. Well, they're 2008. They're still 12 years old. Hold on a second.
Mommy, do you want to see? This is your box stickers. See, Mommy? Lots of stickers, lots of coloring books, and family, and all these stickers, and pencils, and a microphone, and a photocard. Look, and crayons, and pencils, and a microphone. And what stickers?
Wipes.
And a bowling.
Lots of baby wipes down there. Test it.
Mommy, look! Get everything! You can get everything, Mommy!
I know, isn't that awesome?
Yeah!
How exciting.
Yeah, that's
LED
cool.
strip.
We can open this now and play with it.
Interesting.
Look.
Caviscop. Nothing special, I don't think. I'll grab it just in case.
Why you want to know? I don't know.
Fly safe. Kids
Yeah.
fly safe.
I like pencils.
Safety harness.
Oh, wait a minute. It's my turn.
Things until I write this down carefully. Thank you. Don't make me get strict on y'all.
Do it. I dare you.
Challenge accepted.
Look at that huge pumpkin.
Now you can grab.
Now?
Yep.
What is that?
Origin.
I don't know. Very. Oh, they look like they're handmade.
Oh. What I say?
There's not a lot of weight to them though.
Yeah, look, kids, you got a big kind of weed bucket here.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What are they?
You got a big one right there.
What you do?
See?
Oh wow. See this
Yeah.
one's yeah.
Put them back on iron and cord. That'll be okay.
Hey, come and get me. Thank you.
Had to take a lot of time, that's for sure.
Yeah. Holy hell, and that'll move?
Yeah, they move. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, I think that one maybe. Is that one broken maybe? Oh no, it does. Look.
Yeah, they move.
No, I like it. It's cool. But those are puzzles. I can't understand.
They're puzzles?
Yeah, they were puzzles. I remember my uncle had an Elvis head like that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those are pretty cool. You have to put them together.
That would take hours.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And it gets on your dress, and then what happens after that?
It's white with hair too.
Oh my gosh, the slime gets everywhere.
Yeah, that's swanky.
Worth its weight in gold.
This, but the cookie slime is very, very nice. It doesn't stick It's not that bad. The cookie slime is not too bad,
Don't mind our big pumpkin. I think we're going to take it home. We're going to take him home with us. Right, Sophie? Want to take Mr. Pumpkin home? Might as well. Use them to hand out candy. This is where the fun stuff happens. Little teacups.
Mommy, I have some Christmas songs in my room.
Mahoney Originals.
Mommy, I have
Aztec looking.
Mommy, I have some Christmas on your phone.
Yes, ma'am. You can have some Christmas on my phone. She's really into singing Christmas songs on my phone. Williams Sonoma. That's a good brand. Pretty interesting looking pottery. Made in Italy. I'm going to pick these up for sure. It's got the little top and everything with them. $3.50 with my discount, so you can't go wrong with that. And you'll go in the cart. Here, Sophie, you want your slime? All right. Let's see what we got here in the hat section. Arsenal. Is this the Eagles? Seahawks? I'm not great with my teams here. New York. I've sold this brand before. Still new with tags. Let's see. I don't know which one this one is. I have to look it up. We're gonna go to the beach.
He's going to be on standby just in case that has to happen. So it's going to be fun.
Okay, let's go. Leave me over there. You see Sue? Cool, they finished that yesterday, huh? Say hi, we're going to the beach. You just pointed Sue out.
I see Sue.
I know.
Say hi to me.
You say hi to her?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am back home and cozy today from my thrifting trip. Have an amazing score to be able to show you. I am due in 3 weeks with this little guy, so he will be joining me in some of the videos too. But let's just go over everything that I found today. So I'm not really good with telling you guys everything that I've gotten in order, so maybe we'll just start with the toys. Actually, it's only one toy because everything else that I picked up I either put back or went to my kids. So this is a Moana Disney set. It's brand new in the box. I paid $3.50 for it. It's going for around $20 on eBay. Free shipping. So I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to save it for one of my girls for a Christmas or birthday present because both of their birthdays are in December, or if I am going to list it on eBay. So I will make that decision tomorrow morning before I start listing. I did get one more game. What was I thinking? So this is called Missionary Quest. It's a vintage board game, and these are going for around $35 plus shipping, but it's pretty cool. I think everybody should keep in mind to pay attention to board games and certain games specifically. Anytime anything looks a little bit interesting or, you know, like older, just look it up. You know, super simple to look up. And I never would have thought this goes for $35. There's some other ones that are listed, but I paid $3.50 for this. Not terrible. I picked up this, and it's $2.25. I don't know if this was a great buy or not, but it's a keychain. There were 3 of them. There was a Honda one. There was a Ford one, I think, and then there was this Tesla one. And I just grabbed the Tesla one for $2.25. But I'm sure somebody that owns a Tesla would want this keychain, and I'll probably list it for like $13 plus shipping. But I paid $2.25. So I mean, it's just easy list, easy ship stuff, first class. This is, I can't find any comps on this. This is Williams-Sonoma. Let me take the piece out here. On the very bottom, it says, I'm going to turn it around here, Williams-Sonoma, made in Italy. Make sure you guys can see it. And I can't for the life of me think of anything other than it being like a syrup server, or something like that for pancakes. I guess you could put something else in there, oil and vinegar or something, but I have no idea. It's a really cool color pottery, but from what I've looked up, even with it being Williams-Sonoma, which I actually really love that brand, but from what I've looked up, it's probably going to go for 20 to 25 bucks. So not the best buy, but I only paid $3.50 for it. So either way, I'm going to make a profit. Somebody's going to want this cute little set, and one of them is missing the top. So, which I knew that when I bought it, but these 2 hats are both brand new. This is a New York hat. It's MLB. I paid $2.25 for it. I'll probably ask around $19.99 plus shipping, but it's still got everything in there. So these are good ship. These are good, easy ship. I love buying hats. They're easy to store. And then when they sell, they're just easy to pull out and get right out. And another $2.25. I believe this is, shoot. I thought I was going to be able to say it, but I think this is Seahawks. Is this Seahawks, you guys? Comment down below. I do not know my NFL teams. $2.25, probably same thing, $19.99 free shipping. And, or, you know, a couple bucks for shipping. But this is still in the plastic. I'm just going to take the price tag off and list it. So that makes it easy. And for the big reveal for you guys today, my best score, and I get good scores quite a bit, but I'm pretty spoiled in the area that I live in. But I'm really stoked about this because I think it's going to sell really fast. This is a monster behemoth. Oh my God, you guys. It is a Sony 40 disc Blu-ray CD DVD changer, and the model is a BDP CX960, I think. Hold on, it's a monster. BDP, let me bring you over here. BDP CX960. So, yeah, I mean, even without the remote, even if it was not working, which I plugged it in and it seems to be working, even just for parts, these are going for over $300 plus shipping, which is like 100 and something for shipping, because I think it weighs at least 25 pounds. But just alone, just for parts, they're $300. With this guy working, being like just plugged in, and the disc changing, and it was playing a DVD that my son put in, $700. They're going, some are going for $850, but I'm gonna list it right around $7, so that way mine can sell, and then I can enjoy the money. So But yeah, epic score. I paid $10 for this today, and my daughter was not in a great mood. I may have gotten a little bit of video, which I'll show you with an arrow of when I was coming in to film. But yeah, there was nobody looking at this. I'm really surprised that one of the guys didn't come in and want to pick this sucker up. Just because it's a really cool thing to have in your, living room, let alone for resale. But I am mind blown over what some of this stuff goes for, and just the amount of money that people just donate to these thrift stores, or people at yard sales just, they don't see any value in a lot of their items. Or some people actually think their stuff is worth $1 million, and that's great. They can keep it. It's not for us resellers, but if I want something bad enough, I'll pay for it. So if it's for me specifically. But I had an epic day, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.